Welcome back, guys. It is Rex from R1 Concepts. We're in the shop today. We got a 2025 Tacoma with us. This one is one of our customers. He's returning to us because he had a big brake hit on his previous ride, and now he has this new truck and wants to get it dialed in. So starting with the front here, we have a 6-piston front, 365mm 2-piece rotor. The customer went with a painted black and gold just to accent the suspension that he has under there. He's running the Dirt King Trail Runner kit, so it has a lot of black and gold. So it should play off really well with everything that's going on over there. So tell me, what are we doing today, Eric? Moving on to the rear, we are running a 356mm rotor, 2-piece design. This will retain your factory electronic parking brake system. We have the adapter there. All it is the electronic motor that you have on your stock caliper will just adapt to this one. Overall, with our kits, like we said, you know, they're fully customizable to how your build is going to go. With this kit, I mean, you're going to get a lot more performance out of it just because, one, you have a lot more clamping force. Eventually, you know, it's going to be an overland style build, but right now it's his work truck. So it should be more than enough to handle for what he's going to be doing on the daily. With these kits also, they do come with, you know, everything to make it bolt on. The only thing you're going to have to do is either remove your dust shield or trim it. But after that, it's pretty much just like any other brake job. It's going to bolt right in there. Yeah, I mean, with this overall build, I don't know if it needed a 6 front and 6 rear. 6 front was really good just right off the bat. Customer just wanted matching rears. Fortunately, the 6-piston is the smallest we can go for adapting to the electronic parking brake. All right, guys, install's all done. This car's fully equipped front and rear with a big brake kit, and it's working with the factory parking brake. Now this truck is ready to be equipped with more gear if you want to do a tent, rack, all that kind of stuff. It already has a full-size spare. If he eventually goes up with bigger tires, brakes will be able to handle it. If you guys have questions about brakes, big brake kits, color combinations, anything like that, hit us up on our website, message us on the socials, and we'll get back to you.